first. So that's the cube Sarah's gonna solve in 3 moves. Ready?
Wait, where do I start?
Well, you choose where you start. You ready?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, go.
This is so stupid, Mickey.
Hi, I'm Johnny Knoxville.
You said you could solve it.
I never said I could solve
3
it.
moves, Sarah.
It's not solved.
Did you get it?
Nope. I put it back. This isn't working.
Come on, Sarah.
I don't even know what I'm supposed to be doing.
Well, show them the side you're working on.
I'm not working on any side because I don't know which side.
Well, you're supposed to choose a side.
Okay, I'll choose this side.
Okay, show them. Yeah. Alright.
Does this come like this?
Sarah, just solve the cube.
Okay.
Looks like you're at 4 moves now, actually. Sorry. Yeah, it was my mistake.
Oh. Okay.
Was that 1?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing.
You got 3 more moves.
I know.
You give up?
No?
Okay. This is Sarah Lang solving the Rubik's Cube.
I can't do it.
You can't do it?
I give up.
Alright.